I am beginning to realize that everything on this bike can be fixed or remedied. So here's one of the things I just noticed after I fixed my bar on the left side with the reach and everything. I started looking over here and I'm like, wow. And I'm not running mirrors, as you see, post mirrors. A lot of you are running handlebar mirrors. I'm thinking about that, but those Mickey Mouse ears, nobody's doing that. I just felt crowded here. I know I've said, tiny little Asian hands and stuff. What this bike is built for, that's why this grip has to be cut. See the video up there in the corner where we made that. But with a 1.5 millimeter, that's your little smallest one in the set. 2 screws behind the computer. And look, I can move it away, and I think right there, because that's all you need right there is to get on that throttle and to be away from the throttle right there. Tighten it back up. And look, that leaves me about almost 3/4, I'd say 5/8 of an inch more landscape over here to relocate this brake lever and more. I'm fine-tuning and making this bike better. Big difference. You can see I moved the brake lever over about halfway between here and there. And so now I've got a real good feel for 2 fingers on there. And the fingers are at the place on the brakes. And the hand grip combination, short grip and the throttle here. And same thing on the other side, short grip and the shifter feels better. I mean, my hand fits now. My big ass hands fit. All right, man, that's it. Give me a thumbs up. See ya.